This video is an ultimate guide to the 10 best things to do in LaGrange, Georgia. 1. Step into the past at the Legacy Museum on Main. Located at 136 Main Street in the heart of downtown, the Legacy Museum on Main is a must-visit for anyone wanting to truly understand LaGrange's rich and complex story. Housed in a beautifully preserved historic building, this museum is a treasure trove of local history, taking visitors on a chronological journey from the area's earliest Native American inhabitants through its pivotal role in the textile industry and the civil rights movement. What makes this museum special is its focus on the diverse voices and experiences that shaped the community, offering a nuanced and comprehensive look at the past. You can see how the museum recently featured an exhibition titled Black and White in Black and White, which included the works of photographer John Johnson, who cataloged many Black families during the early 20th century. Admission is free, though donations are highly encouraged to support their invaluable programs. 2. Discover artistic treasures at the LaGrange Art Museum. Prepare to be inspired at the LaGrange Art Museum, a vibrant cultural hub located in a beautifully renovated historic building that celebrates both regional and national artistic talent. The museum showcases an impressive permanent collection with a particular focus on Georgia artists and those from the Southeast. This is where you'll find a dynamic mix of the old and the new, with a diverse range of styles and mediums, from captivating paintings and sculptures to mixed media pieces. According to travelers' experiences, the museum frequently hosts rotating exhibitions, ensuring there's always something new to discover. The Lamar Dodd Art Center is another fantastic arts destination in the city, featuring a completely modern facility with classrooms, a dark room, and studios for artists of all levels. 3. Unwind with nature at Hills and Dales Estate. You can step into a world of elegance and natural beauty at Hills and Dales Estate, a stunningly preserved historic home that offers a glimpse into the lives of the influential Callaway family. The estate is best known for its breathtaking gardens, featuring boxwoods planted almost 200 years ago that are considered among the oldest in the country. Here is a perfect way to spend a relaxing afternoon. You can take an affordable guided tour of the estate to learn the fascinating story of the family and the property, then wander the grounds to admire the incredible variety of flowers, shrubs, and trees that make this place a horticultural masterpiece. 4. Feed a giraffe at the Wild Animal Safari. Located about 25 minutes from downtown LaGrange in nearby Pine Mountain, Wild Animal Safari is an absolute must-visit for families and anyone who loves animals. This isn't your average zoo. It's a 500-acre open park where you can drive your own vehicle or rent one of their zebra vans and watch as exotic animals like bison, zebras, and giraffes approach your car for a snack. After the drive-through adventure, you can continue the fun on foot in the Walkabout Adventure Zoo to see even more fascinating creatures. From my experience, the thrill of hand-feeding a towering giraffe right from your car window is truly unforgettable and solidifies this as a top-tier family adventure. You can plan to spend 2 to 4 hours here for the full experience. 5. Imagine a bustling riverfront at Bellevue. Experience the grandeur of the Old South during a tour of Bellevue, a stunning National Historic Landmark Greek Revival mansion built between 1853 and 1855. This opulent home was the estate of Senator Benjamin Harvey Hill, a prominent figure in Georgia's political history, and offers a fascinating look at 19th century life. The mansion is open for tours, and walking through its beautifully preserved rooms and learning about the senator's life gives you a tangible sense of the prosperity and social fabric of antebellum LaGrange. From my experience, the architecture and historical details are truly a window into the city's rich and layered past. 6. Go wild at the Great Wolf Lodge Water Park. For a guaranteed day of nonstop fun, you can't beat a trip to Great Wolf Lodge, an indoor water park resort that's perfect for families, regardless of the weather outside. With thrilling water slides, a lazy river, and a massive wave pool, there's enough. Here to keep kids, and kids at heart, entertained for hours. Beyond the water, the fun continues with activities like mini golf, a high ropes course, and a Build-A-Bear workshop where little ones can create their own furry souvenir. This is the kind of place where you can check in and forget about the outside world, letting the tropical atmosphere and endless activities carry you away. 7. Sample a legendary local lunch at Charlie Joseph's. No trip to LaGrange is complete without a taste of local flavor, and there's no better place to start than Charlie Joseph's. This beloved diner-style restaurant has been a fixture on Bull Street since 1920 and is famous for its classic loaded hot dogs, burgers, fries, and Brunswick stew. According to travelers' experiences, the interior is practically a museum of Coca-Cola memorabilia, adding to the nostalgic, old-school charm. This is the place to grab a quick, affordable, and absolutely delicious bite that connects you to generations of LaGrange locals. 8. Get spooked on the Strange LaGrange walking tour. If you're visiting on a Friday night from late September through mid-November, you can join the Strange LaGrange walking tour, a fascinating 2.5-hour trek that uncovers the hidden and haunted history of the city. Led by a fantastic storyteller in a bow tie, the tour begins in front of the Legacy Museum on Main and includes stops at the site of an 1896 murder on the square, the reportedly haunted LaGrange City Hall, and the LaGrange Art Museum, where staff have reported smelling phantom tobacco smoke. Here is a perfect way to cap off your evening. As the sun sets, you can add a little paranormal intrigue to your vacation with ghost stories and local legends that will make you see the charming streets of LaGrange in a whole new light. 9. Find a treasure at the marketplace at Lafayette Square and explore downtown. The heart of the city is its historic downtown, anchored by the beautiful Lafayette Square with its stunning centerpiece fountain. You can spend a delightful afternoon exploring the marketplace at Lafayette Square, a charming 2-story emporium filled to the brim with unique art, antiques, and local treasures. Afterwards, you can stroll over to South Bend Park, a fantastic public space that features multiple playgrounds, a dedicated dog park, a skate park, and scenic walking trails, perfect for a family picnic. With its walkable streets and blend of shops, eateries, and history, downtown LaGrange is a destination in itself. Hit the like button if you liked the video. If you want exciting offers on flights, hotels, car rentals, eSIM, travel charger, check the description below. Next, 10. Enjoy world-class craft beer and outdoor music at Wild Leap. At the end of a day of exploring, you can head to Wild Leap, a spacious brewery that has become a true community gathering spot in LaGrange. Known for its excellent selection of craft beers, including sours and lagers, Wild Leap offers a large outdoor space with a stage where live bands perform on weekend evenings. This is the perfect place to kick back with a refreshing pint, listen to some great music, and soak in the friendly, relaxed Southern vibe. From my experience, the combination of delicious beer, live entertainment, and a welcoming atmosphere makes Wild Leap the ideal spot to wind down and reflect on your LaGrange adventure.